You understand the difference? There's two kinds of questions that get answered at a criminal trial: factual questions and legal questions. So the factual question would be, I don't know, was the damage that was done by an automobile, or was the damage done by a herd of wild horses? That's a factual question. All right. A legal question would be, does that law apply or does this law apply? You with me? Okay. So with a bench trial, I make all the decisions, or whoever the judge is. I make the factual question decisions. I make the legal question decisions. They're all my decisions. With a jury, the jury works on the factual questions and the judge still handles the legal questions. So that's the difference between a bench trial and a jury trial. The other thing is, I can guarantee bench trials are quicker because there's 7 people that are involved in the jury trial that don't get involved in a bench trial, the jurors. You follow me? So the process itself moves quicker with a bench trial. You have to tell me what one you want, because it's your choice.
Who's handling this stuff? If it's Crystal, it's a problem. Because it was like 2 days here.
What's your problems on Thursdays?
She's in house for,
Yeah. And Mr. Dunbar, and you might want to talk to Mr. Bowditch about him representing you, because she just told me we never get Crystal on Thursdays because she's in house in Lincoln Park. And this has got to be well, Van Buren's always Thursdays now.
we have her,
Oh, what are they going to be Thursdays next year?
I have Van Buren on, December 22nd.
What day is that?
Monday. I don't even know if we should be, yeah. But we have December.
22nd.
Miss Medina's scheduled to be here on other matters.
What's that?
Miss Medina's scheduled to be here on other matters on the 22nd.
Should we check with her before we set it? I don't know if she's scheduled here.
Oh, I thought you,
We have.
we have Angela here on the
we have
22nd.
Angela
Okay,
on Monday.
All right.
Let me have-
let's find out. So did he say he was waiving?
Yes.
So you want to waive your jury and schedule for bench with me?
Yes.
All right, so just give us a minute. We're going to confirm dates.
Yes, sir, Your Honor, I am.
On March 21, 2023, did you come in contact with officers in Van Buren Township?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
And at that time, did you possess some kind of paraphernalia that you should not have had?
Yes, sir, Your Honor, I did.
And what was that?
Crack pipe.
Okay. All right. So I'll accept your plea. Tell me everything you've been doing since you got out.
So, since I got out, I successfully completed intensive outpatient. But before getting out, I completed life skills class. I got a certificate of completion for that. I have the Don Farms substance abuse
Beautiful.
that I did while incarcerated. I completed that. I did 24 class hours of Parables for Jesus. Successfully completed that. I'm seeing a therapist once a week. I'm
Good.
in outpatient right now. I'm in sober living at Bear River Health. I successfully completed Recovery Coach Academy. I'm a certified recovery coach now.
Awesome.
I've completely changed my life around.
Awesome. Good for you. Good for you. So how long are you going to be where you're at?
To be completely honest with you, I can stay basically, from what they say, as long as I'm doing what I'm supposed to. I can basically stay as long as I want. I have no intentions to leave. I just accepted a job at Bear River. I'll be starting there within the next 2 weeks. So I don't plan on going anywhere. I do not plan on going back downstate, Your Honor.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Good for you. Yeah. So what was your drug of choice?
Crack cocaine.
Yeah. And prior to this stint of sobriety, how long has it been since you were sober? When you weren't using?
2021. So I went on a 3-year binge.
I bet if we sat down over a cup, you could tell me all kinds of ways you screwed things up.
Oh, without a question. And that's exactly what I do today. I use my experience as strength to give hope.
Yeah. You sound like you've got an education.
I I don't have an education. I'm going to further my education. I start classes in January so I can get my degree to be a substance abuse counselor.
Man, good luck.
Oh, yeah.
Where'd
Thank
you go to high
Your
school
Honor.
at, Mr. Lewis?
I went to Milan High School in Milan, Michigan.
Yeah. How'd you do academically?
Honor roll student.
Yeah. You got something on the ball. Yeah. Man, I'd love to sit down and have a conversation with you. All right.
I would
So
love to too. You know what? And if I think that that would be great, not only for me and you, but for all of the ones that would be able to hear the conversation that we had, and to be able to see a judge actually talking to a defendant, and just for that to bridge that gap
yeah.
in the justice system, I think would be a great experience.
So where is Fair River located? Bear River.
Bear River is located in Boyne City, Michigan.
Yeah. Okay.
I live in one of their houses in
Yeah.
Lansing. In
You're in
Lansing, Michigan.
Lansing? All right.
I'm
So
in
here's what.
Lansing.
Oh, okay. Allison. Yeah, gotcha.
Lansing.
So, so this might be heaven ordained. So I just got an
Mhm.
email that we just hired a new juvenile probation officer. We had an offer on the table and he just accepted it today. So I just saw that email a few minutes, just like literally a half hour ago. You're so articulate and well spoken. Send. I'm assuming you've got computer privileges.
I do.
Yeah. So my secretary is going to chat you an email address. I want
Okay.
you to send me an email, a proposal, how you think that you could help our juvenile program with your life experience.
Okay.
Wouldn't you
I would
like
be honored.
wouldn't you love the ability to be able to talk to the Robert Lewis of 15 years ago and
Oh
keep you
man.
from going on the road you went?
Without a question, I heaven ordained. I believe that I couldn't have said that better myself. I'm
Yeah.
honored, Your Honor.
Yeah. So I hate Zoom, virtual technology, but man, it would really be helpful in some situation like this because you wouldn't even have to drive downstate. We could just put a bunch of kids in a room and get you on a screen.
I would love that.
Yeah. So you send me an email. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send that on to our juvenile probation officer. He doesn't start till January, but I'm gonna tell him that I just was really impressed by my conversation today and think that you could be an.
Then comes the sentence, 30 days in jails, but fully credited for time served. The judge closes the case. No anger, no shouting, just a calm, final decision. The punishment is real, but so is the opportunity. One chapter ends Bira, and a completely new life begins.
Close this file out. Cool.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, now I'm gonna get an email, right?
You are going to get an email. You probably will have it on your desk. You'll have in your emails tomorrow morning. I'm gonna write it
Thank
tonight.
you. Thank you. I look forward to doing some kind of collaboration with you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I greatly appreciate it.
Enjoy
So she's
your
going
day.
to send me an email, correct?
She chatted it through Zoom. She chatted you an email address. Make sure you got it before I kick you off the meeting.
No, I don't have. I went to the chat and I don't see anything I'm in the chat as we speak. I don't see anything in the chat. Nobody said anything. I saw it come across. And then now I don't have access to it. It says one message. Oh, there it is. I got it.